जब जब इंडिया पाकिस्तान का मैच होता था ना, तो हम गौतम गंभीर को खुला छोड़ देते।
Fights and angry moments from India-Pakistan rivalries. Number 8. Rahul Dravid versus Shoaib Akhtar during test match in Pakistan. There is some aggression from Shoaib Akhtar towards Rahul Dravid. And some words exchange between these two. Number 7. Abhishek Sharma versus Pakistani fast bowler Haris Rauf in Asia Cup 2025. There is an altercation between these two and things got heated. And then umpire calmed down the matter.
आई फील कि उनको ये आंसर देना जरूरी भी था।
आपके मेन बॉलरों को वो शुरू में ऐसा अंडर प्रेशर कर देता है, तो उसके बाद फिर आपकी टीम संभलती नहीं। टॉप क्लास।
Next, Yunus Khan versus Harbhajan Singh. Harbhajan lost his control when Yunus Khan hit a six.
And it is the first six of the match.
And then there is a verbal fight between Yunus Khan and Harbhajan Singh.
It's a bit of tip going on between the two. And Benzema doing the right thing. Just diffusing the situation. Inviting Yunus Khan to go for another big one.
And then Pakistani captain Inzamam Mullah calmed down the matter.
And Benzema doing the right thing. Just diffusing the situation.
Number 5. The famous clash between Kiran More and Pakistani batsman Javed Mia during CWC 1992.
Followed on.
There is a verbal fight between these two.
And say, hang on a minute. And excuse me, Mr. Moray, would you mind not?
And after that, the Pakistani batsmen have done some iconic and hilarious thing.
Yes, he's never stuck. Javed, it's 2 for 85.
Some controversial gestures from Sahibzada Farhan and Haris Rauf.
एक तो आपका एक्शन बहुत ज्यादा इस वक्त डिस्कस हो रहा है, वो आप क्या कर रहे थे?
माइंड में अचानक से आया कि आज का सेलिब्रेशन करते हुए मैंने कर दिया और मुझे पता नहीं कि लोग क्या लेंगे, मुझे उसका परवाह नहीं है।
And this is clip number 2. And Indian player Arshdeep Singh have some action also. Number 3. Indian player Gautam Gambhir versus Pakistani player Shahid Afridi. There is a physical push from Gautam Gambhir to Shahid Afridi. And then things got heated.
जब जब इंडिया पाकिस्तान का मैच होता था ना, तो हम गौतम गंभीर को खुला छोड़ देते।
जनता को याद है जो शाहिद अफरीदी के साथ 2007 में आपका टकराव हुआ था, हुआ क्या था उस दिन?
नहीं, वो बहुत वो चीज़ें मैं बोल नहीं सकता बिकॉज वो बहुत पर्सनल चीज़ें हैं, वो स्पेशली पाकिस्तान के साथ।
मतलब ऐसी गालियां दी थी जो आप जनता के सामने बता नहीं सकते।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
Number 2, Pakistani player Injamam Ulhaq versus Indian fan.
A match in 1997 was one such family affair.
Too involved. It's one of the players involved there that looks like Inzamam Ulhaq has gone into the crowd. Now that's very, very unusual.
During the limited overs Sahara Cup, Pakistan player Inzamam Ulhaq was abused by Indian fans.
Hey, that is very, very ugly. I'm afraid it's not looking good at all.
So he decided on some rough justice of his own.
मैं कमेंट्री कर रहा था, मैं इंजर था, वो एक कोई इंडियन नजरात थे, उसने वो स्पीकर पकड़ के आलू और इंजी ये खड़ा या तो ना बंदा छुप के कह दे। अब इंजी ने 12th मैन को बुलाया, 12th मैन गया, इंजी कहता मुझे बैट चाहिए, 12th मैन गया है, बल्ला लेके आया है, इंजी को बल्ला दिया है, ओवर खत्म हुआ, इंजी ने छलांग लगा बल्ले से बंदे को मारना शुरू कर दिया।
So he decided on some rough justice of his own.
I actually think at that point, India and Pakistan playing cricket were actually dividing people rather than bringing them together.
The controversy happened in second ODI in 1997.
He's gone in there unless somebody has provoked him. Somebody has said something or
And last one, Shoaib Akhtar versus Sourav Ganguly.
again walking up a bit of pace there. That's hit Ganguly. He's in trouble here.
Shoaib bowled a nasty ball that injured Ganguly.
Hit him straight in the stomach.
मैं सौरभ गंगुली के पास जाना चाह रहा था, मुझे मोइन खान ने रोका। आपने देखा मैं बॉल मारा उसको, मैं खड़ा हुआ, फिर मैं जाने लगा तो मुझे मोइन खान ने कहा वापस जाओ। You don't show yourself weak to him. तो मैं जाना चाह रहा था, लेकिन
There's no doubt about the fact that he's down and out for the count.
The incident happened in third ODI in 1998.
A real rip roaster that. There's not a lot that Ganguly could do. He's looking to play a defensive shot, but it was just a nice thing to do. Maybe go for an X-ray or even ice that area to relieve some pain.
And this is clip number 2, where Shoaib Akhtar distracts Sourav Ganguly with his hand gestures.
I think that's fair enough from Ganguly. Shoaib Akhtar.
And here you can clearly see in this video.
Yeah, look at this. Yeah. Just trying to put the batsman off. So he said, no, I'm not facing you.